Title: The Girl with the Oranges. The sound of early morning rain echoed on the old, rusted roof. In a small wooden house at the edge of the town, a young girl named Anna sat quietly on the floor, watching her stepmother prepare breakfast, not for her, but for her own children. Anna, her stepmother's sharp voice broke the silence. "You're still sitting there. Take those oranges and go. Don't come back here until you've sold every single one of them, do you hear me?" Anna quickly picked up the old basket filled with bright oranges. Her small hands trembled as she nodded. "Yes, ma'am." She stepped out into the cold morning air. The wind brushed against her worn-out dress, and she hugged herself tightly. Her parents had both died in an accident when she was just 7, and since then, her stepmother had made her life nothing but pain and labor. But Anna never complained. She believed that someday, life would smile on her. All day, she walked under the hot sun, calling out softly, "Sweet oranges, fresh oranges." Most people passed her by without even looking. As evening fell, the clouds grew dark. Thunder rumbled in the distance. Soon, heavy rain began to pour. Anna shivered, trying to shield her basket from the downpour. Her thin clothes were soaked through, and her hair stuck to her face. She looked toward home, but her stepmother's words echoed in her mind. "Don't you dare come back until you've sold them all." So she kept walking. The streets were empty now. The lights from passing cars blurred through the rain. Her little legs were tired, and she could hardly see ahead. Then, suddenly, bright headlights flashed across her face. A loud horn blared. A car screeched to a stop just inches away from her. The basket flew from her hands. Oranges rolled across the wet road, some crushed under the tires, others floating away with the rainwater. "Hey! What are you doing here?" a deep male voice shouted as the car door opened. A tall man stepped out, his clothes already getting wet. "It's late, it's raining, where are your parents?" Anna froze, tears mixing with the rain. Her lips trembled. I don't have parents. My stepmother said I can't go home until I sell all the oranges." The man's face softened instantly. He knelt down beside her, picking up one of the ruined oranges. "You mean, she sent you out here alone? In this storm?" Anna nodded, sobbing quietly. The man looked around, the empty, silent road, the frightened little girl, the crushed oranges. Something broke inside him. He gently placed his hand on her shoulder. "Come with me," he said softly. "You don't have to stay here anymore. I'll buy all your oranges, okay? Every single one." Anna looked up at him, unsure if she should trust him. But his eyes were kind, and his voice calm. "It's okay," he said again. "You'll be safe." Slowly, she followed him into the car. For the first time in a long while, she felt warmth, the warmth of care, something she had long forgotten. As the car drove off, Anna looked out the window. The rain still fell, washing away the dirt and the pain of the day. In her heart, she whispered, "Maybe, this is the beginning of something new." The man glanced at her through the mirror and smiled gently. "My name's Mr. Daniel," he said. "From now on, Anna, you don't have to sell oranges again." Anna held her basket close, empty, yet full of hope. And for the first time, she smiled.